Education, Channel 2019. Welcome to all of you from Education Channel. Is an online learning platform. The Education Channel of YouTube channel is continuously uploading free formal education lessons and tutorials with the new system curriculum. Therefore, from any country, from anywhere, anyone of any age, regardless of ethnicity or religion, if you can understand Burmese language, then you will be able to learn from this learning platform for free. If you encounter any difficulties to understand something in the videos, those are constantly presented on social media. You can discuss it in the Education Channel. This is a place for me to share my education and knowledge in a way that everyone can understand. I am also on social media to share my education and knowledge with others. My goal is to share the knowledge and experience that I have to help others learn what they need to know. And our first